welcome back to another video. My name is Josh. You already know this is going to be the editing competition for the Photoshop challenge. So I'm going to just get straight into it. I've got a couple emails right here ready to look at. I haven't opened them, so they should be good. I've got a couple on Discord as well, so I'm going to just look through a bunch of photos from you guys, and I'll just tell you who the winner was. And the actual mystery prize was a Amazon $10 gift card. I know it's not a lot, but I thought I'd give the winner a prize, obviously. Let's see what we got here, and we'll get straight into the video. Okay, so the photos I'm going to be looking at are actually going to appear on this side of the screen right here, and you get to see what my reaction is to the photos as I literally, see them myself. So the first photo we're going to look at is going to be by someone called Alex the Smart Kid. So Alex the Smart Kid, he's been on my channel for a little while now. He made a couple videos, but he sent in 2 photos for us to look at today, and by using the pictures that are on the screen right now, he's basically edited them into anything. I literally told anyone to edit them into anything. So let's see what he's done. So this is the first one we got here. It's interesting. I mean, I don't know what that Roblox, I think that's from like an app on like the App Store. That little like face there, I'm not actually sure. Okay, so the next one we have is Meditating with Josh Robinson. I actually like this one a lot. Like I like how he's done all the little bits of glowy bits. Anyway, yeah, I like that one a lot. Nice job, Alex. That was it's pretty cool. The next one we have Sem van Birgelen. I think that's how you pronounce your name, mate. I'm not actually sure, sorry. So he's done, well, now we know where Ant-Man was during Infinity War. Well, I mean, yeah, that's very interesting. I like it. The next one, Amazon. That is good. I wish I could teleport, man. That would be the wickedest, like the coolest thing. Imagine just being able to just teleport, just go wherever you want, mate. Oh, that'd be so sick. And then obviously he's got to do a Fortnite edit right here. We got me in a cannon. Gonna get a shot out of the cannon. Pew pew, right? Pew pew. Oh my, I actually love this one. This is a Minecraft one. Bro, that is wicked, bro. I love that so much. I know I haven't got my feet there because yeah, it didn't really work out, but I like how you've like added the basically Minecraft feet and Minecraft hands. I like that a lot. No way, you've done me as Thor. That is so sick, bro. Oh, I like that. I like the hammer as well. Oh, mate, I do like that one as well. Okay, so Sem van Birgelen, you've done really good, man. You've done really good, right? Let's get straight back into it. Okay, so next we have Panda Me T. Alright, he sent me a picture of me as Thor. Oh no, Superman against Thanos. Now that is wicked. Bro, there's thunder in there, there's a light, there's a whatever that is there. Oh, that is good. I actually like that a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, the next one, we got user image contest. Anybody want coffee? Don't get the meme. But is that me? Oh, it is. But there's, yeah, the head's edited. Nice, like that. Just from, bro, I'm basically Superman. Yes, thank you very much. That's twice I've been Superman. I have no words for this one. That has just made me speechless. That is so good that, you know what, it's just made me like speechless right now. So yeah, great job there. Annika, here we go, and she's made me a turkey. She's made me into a turkey. I don't know what to say. Thanks. Okay, next we've got Josh Ansel. Okay, I don't know if we can show that on. Oh, screw it, I'll show it anyway. I mean, Josh, come. Why are you doing that, man? Why are you doing that? Eh? Right. I rate it, the creativity, but oh, that's it. Great. Thanks. So the winner of the competition is Sem van Birgelen. birgelen. I don't know how to say your name. Congrats, mate. I just like them. Very creative. Thank you everyone for, like, you know, submitting your photos into this competition. If you do like it, please press the like button, and if you do want more like this, comment down below that you do want more, or comment any other competition that you want me to host. It'll be awesome to know know what you guys want. So yeah, that's it for today. My name is Josh Robinson. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought of the video as well. Peace. Well, I was legit, like, the lighting on this video is legit done by my phone, so yeah, and my laptop. Oh yeah, look, there's the winning photo. Thumbnail.